last footage. Back to the bike. It was a very hard trek while coming back. It took us almost 2 hours, but we were in no state. We were just waiting for the trek to end. We were out of water. Our legs are paining like it was around 4.5 kilometers of one side, and so total of around 9 kilometers of trek to Asinagundi Falls. But as you saw how beautiful the falls was, so it was worth for it, for all the pain. So now we will be heading to Sagara from here. So we'll have to go there is a ferry which connects from the Sharavati river viewpoint. It saves around 40 kilometers of if you compare to road. But yeah, so last ferry is at 6:30 and we have around 39 kilometers to go. We're into almost 45 minutes from Kollur, and the ferry start point is around more like 13 kilometers more. Probably we'll be reaching by 6. I think we'll miss the ferry which is scheduled for 6. Probably we can get a ferry for a 6:31. This is Asirumukhi ferry point. Okay, I think we had come here. No, we have to go slowly. Oh, they're constructing a bridge. This will take some years. Oh, once the bridge is completed, then the ferry. Oh, okay. Should definitely have a drone shots from here. Hi, bus the inch. ಅಣ್ಣ ನಾನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು. ಅವನೆಲ್ಲ ರೋಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗುವಂಥವನು ಬಸ್ದೆ. Getting a lovely sunset here, and a ferry also has come. We'll have to load our bikes into that. This is actually a Sharavati river. Ready to climb the ferry. It's a normal ship or boat. 4-wheelers, 2-wheelers have to go. Successfully loaded. The ferry ride is done. We got some good drone shots as well, but there was one scenario where the drone was lost communication over the sea. It's because we were in a moving boat and the drone was getting confused. So to our hotel it is 24 kilometers, 33 minutes. We'll be reaching probably by 7:15. Okay, 24 kilometers. Okay. People are crazy here. See the hotel there. How do we get in there? Where is it? Behind this. ಹೋಟೆಲಿಗೆ ಹೌದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟಾ ಓ 5-star hotel to check in. 5-star hotel to check in. Okay. So this is the room. Quite good. 2 single beds. AC. We have a table, TV, and Mukunda is doing this. It is day 2 in Sagara and it's 10 o'clock. We had our breakfast in hotel. The hotel was very good, so a much recommended place in Sagara. So name is Green Embassy. Now we are going towards, so it's a fort nearby, and after that we are planning to go to there is a place called Dabbe Falls. So it looks little interesting to us, so let's see. It is actually Ikkeri, so there is a temple or slash fort. So yes. This is the oh, Nandi. Mella. That's what she said. Just imagine that is great. Now you can look at it. How can you carve this at one single attempt? I think once you have one stone. So after the temple, now we are on our way to Dabbe Falls. So again for this falls we need a permission from the forest range officer, and we have something very exciting in the falls. So there's not a trek, but the way how we get to the falls is very, let's say, interesting. Interesting or a little risky as well, I would say. Just passing towards Dabbe, and we just get a beautiful viewpoint in the front. So this is the dam which we were able to see from the top. They have not left the water actually. Looks good. To reach Dabbe Falls, first you have to come to this forest officer's place, and you have to give a stamp paper telling that you are not, that they will not be responsible for if anything happens to you. So this is the office. Almost the 1 hour to get permit from here. So the procedure is first of all you have to get a stamp paper on your name and come and submit to the forest officers department, and they will get the consent ready. So basically you're giving a consent that they are not liable for any loss or any damage that happens to you. And once you get the stamp paper, you have to come and submit here. So they will print an agreement kind of thing on that and take your sign and document, basically a ID proof. And also there is a little bit of amount that you need to pay. So basically they are charging for an entry fee and trekking fee. And always one more tip is there is no food available there. Always take something with you while you're going towards Dabbe Falls. So actually we missed a turn. It seems to be a kilometer before, so we all are going back. This is Kadakadu, this board. I think we have off-roads here. After the good patch we have, I think this is the full off-road section now. There is no road after this. Lot of dust. It's better to go in front. Lot of dust is coming on my face. Oh, this is so dusty. I should have stayed in the front here. We have now red dust here. There was proper mud, now this is red mud. Oh. You can see how dirty the GoPro has become. It's become brown. My phone here. Shit. Going inside a jungle with the road. We did see few locals here. They told there is a water crossing kind of thing. There's no bridge. This is the water crossing. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? Can see. Just finished with some muddy patch and you can see the condition of the bikes. It's filled with mud. Let me show you one completely black bike, what it looks like. You can see dust. See, you can understand the amount of dust if you see this. See the tank. And this is the condition of the riding pant. Not able to saddle. The legs are paining from yesterday's trek. This is the point from where we have to get rope. Ilva avaru? Ilva?
This is the hard part, yeah. Bro.
Oh. This you have to either come like this or
Landslide.
Kaustubh and Aditya are still there. We get to see.